Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Schedule K-1 or 1065 into TurboTax. So, all you have to do is head over to Intuit TurboTax and make sure that you're logged into your account. So, from here, we're just going to select any button from our progress. So from here, we're just going to proceed and review with personal info. So this will take us to our home page. And from here in the left panel, just head over and click on Federal, then Wages and Income. And from here, just scroll down until you see S Corps, Partnerships, and Trusts. Just click on this drop down menu, and from there, you should be able to see Schedule K1. So in our case, we're just going to revisit this. And from here, you should be able to see partnerships or LLCs or the form 1065. So you should have an option to start or update this form. Just click on the button beside it, and from here, all you have to do is enter in all the details such as partnership name and address. Just make sure that you fill out all the necessary details asked, starting with the name, of course, LLC ID number, address, city, state, and zip code. Then once done, just head over and click on continue. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!